Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your frame color in Miro. So in the previous video, I showed you how you can add frames. And if you don't know it, I'm going to show you. I'm going to add a frame again and show you how you can easily do that. So you want to look for frames on the left hand side. And if you're not see it, click the plus. So either search for a frame, or if you find it here, you click on it and select a frame. Now, once you select a frame of your choice, you can change the color. Now, as you can see, my frame here has a color, but it didn't have before. It was just typical white. And so you can choose either fill or you can choose style. And once you choose style, you can choose from the color that you have. So here you have some colors and you can choose the different style. The different style basically give you the colors. But if you want to just work with just one individual color, all you have to do is look where it says fill and choose a color. So you can choose no color, or you can go ahead and just choose a single color if you want to. If the color that you're looking for is not in the list, you can go ahead, go down and click on the plus, and you can just use, for example, hexadecimal and choose something, or you can use the wheel here, or you can use the line here to kind of find whatever you need to. Right, so that's how you can easily use it, guys, and that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.